in regards to making a work of art, where there isn't much, there isn't any pre-planning. I never make a preliminary sketch for any of my work. I work from the gut. I'm very intuitive in my art practice, and I just trust and believe that the end result would be good. You can see the existence of history in his body. What was once firm and strong, now seeing the impact of gravity and time take hold on his body. And I just found something very interesting about that. And I thought it was fitting for that piece about Ethan in particular, because once again, you can see time and history take hold of the lives of people in that community very quickly, from a very young age, because of all that you have to endure while living in such a community. But over time, enough time, if you just keep living, that same kind of history and sort of gravitational pull would take hold of all of us. It was. It's not until I finish the work, or as I'm making the work, then the work tells me who it is. So the work is sort of like images emanating from the shores of my subconsciousness that then relates to memories and a particular history in my life, in which case I then produce an amalgamation of the energy of Ethan.